In this video, I will show you how to check if your Android phone supports eSIM. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your Android phone. Next, tap on Connections. In certain devices, this option could be network and internet. Now tap SIM Manager. Here, look for an option to add eSIM or add carrier or simply eSIM. If this option is there, it means your device supports eSIM. Otherwise, your device don't support eSIM. Alternatively, you may visit your phone's manufacturer website and search for your specific phone model specifications to get more idea. So that is how you can check if Android phone supports eSIM. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.